This is first question from quadratic equations. Here is given the quadratic equation whose roots are sin square 18 and cos square 36 is dash. So here the formula if alpha comma beta are the roots. Alpha comma, then quadratic equation is this is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Here alpha is given, that is sin square 18, and beta is given, this is cos square 36. So sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is whole square. So squaring, that is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. This is equal to, this is 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So take 2 common and cancel. This is 2 minus root 5 by 8. This is the value of alpha. Beta is cos square 36. We know that cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Squaring, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. That is equal to 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16. Take 2 common and cancel. This is 2 plus root 5 by 8. This is the value of beta. So first to find alpha plus beta, sum of the roots. Here is alpha is 3 minus root 5 by 8. Beta is 3 plus root 5 by 8. So take LCM to here root 5 cancel, 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 3 6. This is equal to 3 by 4. And find the product of the roots. Alpha beta is equal to, this is 3 minus root 5 by 8 into 3 plus root 5 by 8. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. This is 9 minus 5 by 8 into 8, 64. This is 4 by 64, that is equal to 1 by 16. This is the alpha beta value. Now we find the quadratic equation. Here is quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Substituting in this equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta is 3 by 4 into x plus alpha beta is 1 by 16 is equal to 0. Take LCM, here is equal to 16x square minus 4 3s are 12x. 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the roots, given roots. This is second question from quadratic equations. This is Eapcet 23 question. Here is given alpha comma beta. Alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. And 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta are the roots of x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of alpha plus 1 by beta, beta plus 1 by alpha, alpha minus 1 by alpha, beta minus 1 by beta is equal to dash. So here is given alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. For this alpha beta are the roots. That means alpha plus beta is equal to minus a, and alpha beta is equal to 2. For the second equation, 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta are the roots. That the equation is x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. For this 1 by alpha, 1 by beta are the roots. So sum of the roots, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to b. And product of the roots, 1 by alpha beta is equal to c. Here we know that alpha beta is 2. Substituting alpha beta is 2. 1 by 2 is equal to c. This is the value of c. And take 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to b. This is alpha plus beta by alpha beta is equal to b. Alpha beta value is minus a. This is minus a by alpha beta is 2. That is equal to, from this b value is minus a by 2. B value is minus a by 2. Now we find the value of alpha plus 1 by beta. into beta plus 1 by alpha into alpha minus 1 by beta, alpha minus 1 by alpha, comma beta minus 1 by beta. So multiplying first two. So this is alpha into beta, alpha beta plus alpha into 1 by alpha, that is 1. Here 1 by beta into beta, that is 1. This is 1 by alpha beta. Multiplying last two. This is alpha beta. So minus alpha by beta minus beta by alpha plus 1 by alpha beta. So substituting all the values in this equation, alpha beta is 2. So that is equal to, this is alpha beta, that is 2 plus 1 is 2, and 1 by alpha beta is 1 by 2. Here alpha beta is 2, take minus common in these two, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 1 by alpha beta is 1 by 2. Here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 by 2, this is 9 by 2, that is equal to 9 by 2 into, here 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2, minus, take LCM for this, alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta, that is equal to 9 by 2 into, this is 5 by 2, minus alpha square plus beta square, this is alpha plus beta whole square, minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. So that is equal to 9 by 2 into, this is 5 by 2, minus alpha plus beta whole square, this is a square, minus 2 alpha beta, that is 2 into alpha beta value is 2, 2 into 2 4 by alpha beta is 2, that is equal to 9 by 2 into, this is 5 by 2, minus a square by 2, minus into minus 4 by 2 is 2, that is equal, here 5 by 2 plus 2 is, this is also 9 by 2, 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 minus a square by 2, that is 9 minus a square by 2, that is equal to, this is 9 by 4 into 9 minus a square. This is the final answer. This is third question from Eapcet 23. So here is given the sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation x square minus 7x plus 11 whole to the power of x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 1 is. So here is given, this is equation x square minus 7x whole power plus 11 whole power x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 1. This 1 is written as, this is 1 power 0, this is the first condition, or minus 1 whole power even. These two are the possibilities. So take, this is, first take 1 power 0, that is x square minus 7x plus 11 whole to the power of x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 1 power 0. From this equation, that is x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 1, comma x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 0. From this is written as, this is x square minus 7x, here is 11 minus 1 is 10 is equal to 0. Factors for 10 is 2 into 5. This is x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. From this, x is equal to 2 comma 5. For the second equation, x square minus 7x minus 7 is equal to 0. So from this, 7 ones are 7. This is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. From this, x is equal to minus 1 comma 7. These are the values of x. And the third condition is, so this is, for this is equal to x square minus 7x plus 11 whole to the power of x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to minus 1 whole power even number. That means x square minus 7x plus 11 is equal to minus 1. for this x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Factors for 12 is 3 into 4. This is x minus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to 3 comma x is equal to 4. Substituting x is equal to 3 in this equation, that is, this is x square, this is 9 minus, so power x square minus 7x, find this value, x square minus 7x, 6x minus 7. Here x square is 9 minus 18 minus 7. 9 minus 18 minus 9 minus 7, this is minus 16. So this is even number. So when x is equal to 3, the expression is power is even. Substituting x is equal to 4, that is 16 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 7. 16 minus 24 minus 8 minus 7, this is minus 15. So this is odd number. So eliminating this x is equal to 4. So another here x value is x is equal to 3. So the values of x are, that is x is equal to 2 comma 5 comma minus 1 comma 7 comma 3. So here is asking the sum of all real values. So sum of this is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 minus 1 plus 7 plus 3. It is 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 18, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 3 17 minus 1, that is equal to 16. This is the final answer. The sum of all real values is 16. This is fourth question from quadratic equations. Here r minus alpha comma beta is the range of x minus 3 by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Then the sum of the intercepts of the line alpha x plus beta y plus 1 is equal to 0 on coordinate axis is. R minus alpha comma beta is the range of this. So take that value is y. So that is y is equal to, this is x minus 3 by multiplying that 2, that is x into x square, so plus x minus 2. This is taken as y. So take cross multiplication, y into x square plus x minus 2 is equal to x minus 3. So from this is yx square plus take x common, this is y minus 1 minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y, this is take this side, this is 2y minus 2y plus 3, take minus common, 2y plus 3. This is x plus 3. Take minus 3, take minus common, this is plus 3. 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So here from this is take delta greater than or equal to 0. We know that delta means b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Here b square is y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value is minus minus plus, this is 2y plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So calculate y square minus 2y plus 1 plus 4 2s are 8y square, so 4 3s are 12y greater than or equal to 0. From this is 9y square plus 10y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So this is written as, this is y plus 1 into y plus 1 by 9, which is greater than or equal to 0. Here alpha value is minus 1 and beta value is minus 1 by 9. So now substituting in this equation, that is alpha x plus beta y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here alpha is minus x, beta is minus 1 by 9 into 1, y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is x plus y by 9 is equal to 1. Here intercepts is 1 comma 9. Now we find sum of the intercepts. Therefore sum of the intercepts is equal to x intercept is 1 and y intercept is 9. That is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. That is the required answer. This is fifth question from quadratic equation. Here is given x square plus 2px minus 2p plus 8 greater than 0 for all real values of x. The set of possible values of p is dash. This is Eapcet 23 question. Here is given this expression is positive. That means this expression has imaginary roots. That imaginary roots means delta. This delta is less than 0. So delta means b square minus 4ac less than 0. Here p value is 2p. That is 2p whole square is this is 4p square minus 4 into a value that is 1 and c value is 8 minus this is 8 minus 2p less than 0. Less than 0. So this is take 4 common and cancel. So from this p square plus 2p minus 8 less than 0. So factors for this is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. That is 4 minus 2 2. This is written as this is p plus 4 into p minus 2. That means p belongs to, therefore p belongs to minus 4 2. This is the set of values of all possible values of p. This is sixth question from quadratic expressions. The set of values of x for which the inequalities x square plus 7x plus 10 greater than or equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 minus x square greater than 0 holds simultaneously is dash. Here is x square minus 7x plus 10 greater than or equal to 0. Factors for this is x minus 2 into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. That means x less than or equal to 2 or x greater than or equal to 5. These are the values of x. And second equation is given. This is 2x plus 3 minus x square greater than 0. Take minus common. This is x square minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. Factors for this is x plus 1, x minus 3 less than 0. That means belongs to minus 1 comma 3. So this is first equation and this is second equation. For these two, the real values of x, the required set of values of x is, here is least value is minus 1 comma 2. See, closed bracket, for minus 1 is open bracket. These are the values of x. That means x less than or equal to 2 means this is the number line system. This is 2 less than or equal to. So that means this is this part, this is 5, x greater than or equal to 5. That means 5 above this part. X belongs to minus 1 comma 3. This is minus 1 and this is taken, this is minus 3. So this is the x belongs to. Common part for this is the common part. So minus 1 2 2 2. Here is minus 1 open bracket, 2 is closed bracket. This is the common part. This is seventh question, Eapcet 23 problem. Here is given, let the equations ax square minus 7x plus c is equal to 0 and ax square plus 5x minus c is equal to 0 have a common root. and AC not equal to 0. If 3 is a root of ax square minus 7x plus c is equal to 0, other than the common root, then the common root of the given equations is dash. Take first two equations have a common root. Take alpha is common root. Alpha is common root. Substituting alpha on that is a alpha square minus 7 alpha plus c is equal to 0. Second equation, a alpha square plus 5 alpha minus c is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, this is minus minus plus. Here a alpha square cancel, minus 7 minus 5. This is minus 12 alpha plus 2c is equal to 0. From this 2c is equal to 12 alpha, c is equal to 6 alpha. This is the value of c. C value is 6 alpha. And another equation is given, that is 3 is a root of ax square minus 7x plus. Here is given equation is ax square minus 7x plus c is equal to 0. 3 is one root. 3 is one root and take alpha is another root. For this equation 3 comma alpha are the roots. So 3 comma, that is sum of the roots means 3 plus alpha is equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 7, 7 by a. So from this 3 plus alpha is equal to 7 by a. So this value for this alpha is equal to, from this sum of the roots is minus 7 by a is 7 by a. Alpha is equal to c by 6. The roots for this, that is 3 into alpha c by a. So that is equal to 3 alpha is equal to, from this c value is 6 alpha. C value is 6 alpha by a. 3 alpha here 2 times cancel. So a is equal to 2. A value is 2. Substituting a value in this equation, that is 3 plus alpha is equal to a is 2. This is 7 by 2. From this alpha is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3. Take LCM, this is 7 minus 6 by 2. Therefore alpha is 1 by 2. This is the common root for the both the equations. Alpha is 1 by 2. This is 8th question from quadratic equations. Here is given if x square plus 3x minus 2k is equal to 0 and x square minus 7x minus 7k is equal to 0. Have a non-zero common root. Then the positive root of the equation kx square plus k plus 2 into x minus of k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is Eapcet 23 question. Here is given these two equations have a common root. Take alpha is common. Alpha is common root. Substituting on that equations, that is alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 2k is equal to 0 and alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 7k is equal to 0. Subtracting these two equations, minus plus, this is plus. Here alpha square cancel, 3 alpha plus 2 alpha, 5 alpha minus 2k, this is 7k. Minus 2k plus 7k, this is plus 5k is equal to 0. Take 5 common and cancel. From this alpha is equal to minus k. Substituting alpha is equal to minus k in first equation, that is x square minus 2x minus 7k is equal to 0. This is k square, so plus, this is plus 2k, x is equal to minus k, substitute minus 7k is equal to 0. From this k square minus 5k is equal to 0. K common, this is k minus 5 is equal to 0. From this k is equal to 5. So take k is equal to 5, substituting in this equation, that is your given equation is kx square plus k plus 2 into x minus of k plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 5, that is 5x square. Here is 5 plus 2, this is 7x minus 5 plus 1, this is 6 is equal to 0. Here 5 6 are 30, 30 factors is 10 into 3. That is 5x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Take 5x common, this is x plus 2. Take minus 3 common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again this is x plus 2, take common, 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here is asking the positive root of the equation. From this positive root is equal to x is equal to 3 by 5. This is the positive root of the given equation. This is ninth question from quadratic equation. Here is given one root of the equation, that is 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. Is the reciprocal of the other, then the value of k is dash. So take one root is taken as alpha and other root is the reciprocal of this, that is 1 by alpha, that is alpha comma 1 by alpha are the roots. Now find product of the roots. We know that product of the roots is equal to c by a. Product is equal to c by a. So from this alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to, here c value is k minus 4 and a value is 4 is given. Here alpha alpha cancel. From this 4 is equal to k minus 4. That is k is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So the k value is 8. This is 10th question from Eapcet 23. Here is given x minus 2 is a common factor. Common factor of the expression x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and x square plus ax plus b and x square plus cx plus d. Then the value of b minus d by c minus a is equal to dash. This is the question. Here is given x minus 2 is a common factor. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from this x is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in both the equations, that is first equation x square plus ax plus b. Substituting in this, that is 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. And substituting second equation, this is also x square 4 plus cx, this is 2c plus d is equal to 0. So subtracting these two equations, that is this is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Here 4 4 cancelled. So 2a minus 2c, take 2 common, that is 2 of a minus c plus b minus d is equal to 0. From this b minus d is equal to minus 2 into a minus c. So from this b minus d by c minus a, that is b minus d is equal to multiplying minus, that is equal to 2 into c minus a. From this b minus d by c minus a is equal to 2. This is the required answer. So the value of b minus d by c minus a is 2. This is next question from quadratic equations. This is Eapcet 23 question. Here is given the set of values of x which satisfies both the inequations x square minus 1 less than or equal to 0 and x square minus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0 simultaneously is dash. Here is first equation is given, that is x square minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So from this is written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. That means x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. And second equation is given, that is x square minus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So this is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. From this take x common, this is x minus 2 plus 1 take common, this is x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This is again x minus 2 common, this is into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. From this x belongs, that means x plus 1 into x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0 means that is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 closed bracket union 2 to infinity. So here is given, this is the x belongs to first equation and this is the second equation. Common element for this both the equations is only one, that is minus 1. So required set is equal to here is common element is only minus 1.